This week I'm testing the Audi Q7 and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is all the thoughtful little features throughout the Q7, like these pillar air vents in the second row and the adjustable headrests. There's also double visors in the front, which means you can shield your face to the side and the front from the sun. And there's child locks on the driver's doors, which enables you to lock either the left or right hand rear door. Number 2 is you can raise and lower the height of the back of the Q7 just using these buttons on the side of the boot here, which is great for when you've got dogs jumping in and out or you're loading heavy prams or shopping. Number 3 is I can fit 5 child seats in the back here. There are 5 Isofix and 5 top tether anchorage, which is really great. I have loved driving the Q7 with my family this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.